He was determined to find a mysterious food. 1,000,000 years he had been searching for that mysterious food. Even though his body was unable to dig it out, bukan titik jos. But his nose remained sharp and pointed like a tower. Finally, he found what he was looking for.
Waktu abang pergi ke si barang-barang, datang hujan yang amat deraslah. Terkejut abang terheran-heran, sebab abang belum pernah ke sana. Sebab abang belum pernah ke sana. Untung datang lembar penyanyi dan bertaram bom amir di jalan. Dia jokoknya aku ke rumah dia, makan daging walsa dengan sayur kola. Sayur kol, sayur kol, makan daging walsa dengan sayur kola. Sayur kol, makan daging walsa dengan sayur kol. Makan daging walsa dengan sayur kol. Makan daging walsa dengan sayur kol.